Hello folks, my name is Stephen Murphy and I'm a partner at the law firm of Block, O'Toole & Murphy, a law firm here in New York. Like a lot of lawyers here in New York, we often get asked, what do I do if I'm involved in a car crash? There's a collision that I'm either a driver or a passenger in. What should I be doing? What steps do I need to take? I think the first thing that everyone in New York should take heed of is this. The best way to respond to an accident is avoid it. Drive carefully. But if you're thinking forward and worried about what steps you need to take if you're involved in an accident, my first suggestion is to be prepared. And that means have the right insurance coverage, the right fit for you. Make sure you consult with your insurance broker and go through all the different options that can protect you in the event you're in an accident. What do I mean by that? You want to make sure you got your driver's license on you. You want to make sure you have your insurance card, your registration. And when you're thinking about insurance, make sure that you're protecting yourself. Get the policy that's right for you. That way you're coming into any situation confident and prepared. And that's the key here, because when you get into that accident, it's going to feel frenzied. You're going to be nervous. There's going to be a lot of pressure on you. So having a plan makes a difference. So after that accident, what should you be doing? All right, you've got to be able to produce your paperwork. You want to think about calling 911, getting the police there. Why? Because it's important to have a police report that demonstrates what happened, demonstrates the position of the vehicles, demonstrates the cause of the collision, gets your version of events on the record. It also gets the other version of the other driver's events on record, which is important for you. So when you're involved in a crash, everyone obviously focuses first on, should I go to the hospital, should I see a doctor? But what people often forget is actually reaching out to their insurance company. You've got to notify your insurance carrier about the nature of the accident so that you don't later find out that they're going to disclaim their coverage for you because you didn't give them prompt notification of this accident. So think about that. Shortly after this accident, you want to check off that box. Did I notify my insurance company? And if you did, things are going to go a lot smoother for you moving forward. Other than notifying your insurance company, particularly in New York, you've got to think as an auto accident victim, did I fill out a no-fault application? It's not complicated to do, but people forget it. If you don't fill it out within 30 days of your accident, you may be deprived of medical treatment that you need or payment for your medical treatment that's required. So fill out that no-fault application. The question most people want to know is, should I go to the hospital? Should I see a doctor? And a lot of lawyers will tell you, no matter what, go to a hospital, go to a doctor and get checked out. That's not this lawyer, that's not this firm. If you're hurt, if you feel like there's a medical concern, go get treatment. Go make sure everything's okay. If there's an obvious injury, then you best go to the hospital right from the scene. So when you call the police and they ask you, do you want medical attention? If you think you need it, then you should. But if you feel okay, don't go to the hospital or go to a doctor just because you think that checks off a box, because that's something that's required. All right? Tell them what's bothering you, describe your injuries, and if appropriate, get medical treatment. When you have an accident, the immediate impulse is, do I need a lawyer? And that's for you to answer. But what I'm here to tell you is make sure you get the right one. There's thousands and thousands of lawyers who will line up to take your case. Find the lawyer that's right for you. Do they have the right experience? Do they have a track record of success? Have they handled serious auto crashes and gotten their clients the right results? And when I say right results, I mean significant settlements and the willingness and the ability to go to a jury and persuade that jury that your case was just, and have that jury come back and return a significant verdict on your behalf. That's the kind of lawyer you want to look for. A lawyer that you're comfortable with, but a law firm and a lawyer that's going to deliver the right results for you. So I hope that helps you understand what steps you want to consider after you're involved in an auto crash. And remember, if you have any questions, you can always call us at Block, O'Toole & Murphy at 212-736-5300, or take a look at our website, www.blockotoole.com. Thanks for your time.